Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this beginner friendly festive makeup tutorial featuring brown smoky eyes. I hope you would like watching my tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's begin. It's summertime, so I'll be doing some skin preparations before I start my makeup. I've taken an ice cube and with the help of an handkerchief I'm going to rub it on my face. What this does is it helps to minimize your pores and make your makeup long lasting. Also, this cool downs your skin before your makeup. Now I'm going to clean my face using a face towel. Now I'm going to do moisturization to my face. For that I've taken a gel based moisturizer from Pond's. This is a nice moisturizer and this is non-sticky. That's why I love using this on summer. Next I'm going to be doing a little bit of color correction. For color correction I have taken a concealer that is same as my skin tone. And if you don't have any hyperpigmentation or any marks, spots, you can just leave it like this, or if you do have, then you can do like mine. Next I will take foundation. For foundation I have taken Maybelline Superstay. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I'm going to spread it with the help of a concealer brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. And also don't forget to apply foundation on your neck. First I'm blending it with the help of a Kabuki brush. This is a generic Kabuki brush but works really well. Then I'm going to use a sponge to blend out my foundation once again, and also I've applied foundation in my neck area, so I'm going to blend it with the help of this beauty blender. Now it's time for some highlighting. So I've taken a lighter color concealer and I'm going to place it on the highest points of my cheek, my under eyes area, my chin area and my nose area, and with the help of that same beauty sponge I'm going to blend my concealer. Now I'm going to set everything in place with the help of a powder. This is one of my old favorite powders. This is from Essence Cosmetics, and I'm going to place it all over my face and my neck. Now we will be doing some contouring. For that I've taken the contour palette from Wet n Wild, and this is the only contour palette that I have. So I'm going to be placing it on my hollows of the cheek, my cheekbone and my forehead to make them look very chiseled and contoured. Now I've taken blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now I'm going to smile and apply blush. Now let's move on to the eyes makeup. For eyes I will be starting off with my eyebrows, and I've taken an angular brush and I'm going to make the shape of my eyebrows. I'll try to give it an arch and a shape. So this is how you can do it. So once I'm done creating the shape, I'll be taking the back side of the brush and I'll be combing my eyebrows. Then I'm going to clean below my eyebrows to give it a more prominent shape. Now I'm going to prime my eyelid before we start the eye makeup. Now I'm going to set everything with powder. For today's eye look, I have chosen a very effortless and easy eye look. For that I have taken a deep brown shade on a very small flat shader brush and I'm going to press the color into my eyelid space. Do it little by little, don't go too high, and once you are done depositing, try to blend the edges with the same brush without taking any product. Next I'm going to take a medium brown shade and with the help of a very tiny blending brush, I'm going to blend above this color. Next I'm taking a very lighter color and I'm going to blend above both of these colors. This is my transition shade, and this is a very easy eye look. This looks very neat and very beautiful on the eyes. For this I have taken a fluffy blending brush. You can take any blending brush you have. Next I'm going to take a chocolate brown shade and I'm going to apply over that deep brown shade that we had applied. This just adds a little sheen to my eyes. Next I'm going to take that other eyeshadow brush again and I'm going to blend. So key to a good eyeshadow is all about blending. Next I'm going to apply a green kohl pencil in my waterline and my lash line. For that I have taken a kohl pencil by Blue Heaven and this is very inexpensive yet it works really well. Next I'm going to take an eyeliner. This is by Faces Canada and I'm going to do a very short wing eyeliner. Next I'm going to take a mascara. This is by Fixes and I'm going to apply it on my lashes. For today's look I don't prefer using false lashes because this is going to be beginner friendly, but if you really want some curved lashes then do curl your lashes before you apply mascara. This just works fine. And also don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line. Next I'm going to take a highlighter. This is the shade Precious Petal from Wet n Wild and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. Doing this gives your eyes a new spark. This is my final eye look. I hope you enjoyed my eye look. Now I'm going to do my lipstick. For that I have taken a shade from Maybelline Creamy Mattes. This is a red color. I think this is Ruby Rich or something like that. I'll be mentioning that in my description box. Now I'm going to clean out the edges of my lipstick with a concealer just to give my lips a nice shape, and I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. Now I'm going to highlight my face using a big fluffy wing brush and a Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my cupid's bow and my chin area and my forehead area too. Now that we are done with our makeup, I'm going to amp up my look using a big earring which I really love for the festive season. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. You can follow me on Instagram and you can also recreate this look if you want to. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.